Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing habituality or reiteration. Ano nga ba ang habituality or reiteration? Habituality is present when the accused has been previously punished for an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty than that attached by law to the second offense, or for two or more offenses to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Based dito sa binasa natin, nabanggit na dito yung mga kailangan or requisites or requirements para masabing may habituality or reiteration. The following are the requisites of habituality. First, accused is on trial for an offense. So yung accused po ay may pending case. Second, he previously served sentence. May dati siyang kaso at na-serve or napagsilbihan na niya yung kasong yon or tapos na yung kulong nun. At ang previous case na yon ay for another offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty. Yung previous case niya dapat ang penalty ay parehas or mas mataas sa bagong crime na nagawa niya. Or for two or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty than that for the new offense. Kung di naman parehas or mas mataas yung penalty ng naunang krimen niya sa bagong ginawa niya, dapat ang nagawa niya noon or yung previous crime niya ay dalawa o higit pang krimen na mas mababa sa penalty na matatanggap niya sa bagong krimen na ginawa niya. Third, he is convicted of the new offense. So kung hindi siya na-convict doon sa bagong crime na nagawa niya, walang habituality. Example, Juan was convicted of the crime of homicide. After he was released from prison, he committed the crime of theft. The value of the stolen property is 15,000. May habituality ba o wala? Ang sagot ay meron. First, he already served out his sentence of the first offense. Ang first offense niya po ay yung homicide at tapos na niya based sa problem. Second, the first offense, homicide, attaches a greater penalty, that is reclusion temporal, than the second offense, theft, which is arresto mayor. Ano naman ngayon ang pinagkaiba ng recidivism at habituality? As to the status of the first offense. In recidivism, it is enough that a final judgment has been rendered in the first offense. In habituality, it is necessary that the offender shall have served out his sentence for the first offense. So sa recidivism, kahit may judgment lang, okay na yun. Pwede nang pumasok ang recidivism. However, in habituality, kailangan tapos na siyang makulong bago pumasok yung habituality. As to the nature of the crimes committed, in recidivism, it requires that the offense be included in the same title of the revised penal code. On the other hand, in habituality, the two offenses are not embraced in the same title of the revised penal code. As to number of crimes committed, in recidivism, at least 2 crimes. On the other hand, in reiteration or habituality, the number of previous punishment is unimportant provided there has been at least one if the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or at least 2 if the penalty is lighter. As to period of time the crimes are committed, in recidivism, no period of time is required, so kahit gaano kahaba pa yan. As to habituality, no period of time required as well. As to kind of aggravating circumstance, recidivism and habituality are both generic aggravating circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.